If you're a trader looking to refine your strategy, you've probably heard of Jigsaw Trading. But does it actually live up to the hype? Today, we're digging into what makes this order flow trading platform stand out and what you might want to consider before diving in. Jigsaw Trading focuses on order flow analysis, which is crucial for traders wanting to make informed decisions based on real-time market activity. The platform primarily caters to day traders and scalpers, offering tools like the depth and sales and the Jigsaw Trading DOM, which help visualize market depth and order flow in an intuitive way. What stands out immediately is the platform's emphasis on education. They provide a range of tutorials and webinars designed to help users understand how to leverage order flow effectively. However, while the interface is relatively user-friendly, there are aspects that can feel overwhelming for newcomers. The vast amount of data can be daunting, and some features might require a steep learning curve. It's also worth noting that Jigsaw Trading operates primarily on a subscription model, which may not suit everyone. Overall, while the core functionality seems robust, there's a learning curve that might deter casual traders. On the plus side, Jigsaw Trading provides powerful tools for those serious about order flow trading. The educational resources are a huge asset, especially for those new to the concept. Plus, the community aspect allows traders to share insights and strategies. However, there are some downsides. The subscription costs can add up, especially if you're just starting out. Some users might find the interface cluttered, making it tough to navigate at first. Additionally, the focus on order flow analysis might not appeal to everyone. Those who prefer traditional charting methods might feel out of place here. In short, while Jigsaw Trading shines in its niche, it may not be the best fit for everyone, especially casual traders or those unfamiliar with order flow concepts. In conclusion, Jigsaw Trading is a solid choice for serious traders looking to dive deep into order flow analysis. If you're dedicated to improving your trading strategy and willing to invest time in learning, it could be worth a try. However, those seeking a more straightforward trading experience might want to explore other platforms first.